Are you doubting yourself right now? Are you questioning something? What might actually be happening is that you are disconnected from your confidence. Confidence comes from your inner guidance system. And this card in the Oracle of the Lake deck is going to show you exactly why. Today, we're exploring the Channel of Light card, and it's about understanding how you're connected to your own inner guidance system, your inner GPS, your wisdom. It shows up for you when there's a disconnect and you need to tap into that special knowing that happens from within. Oftentimes, it appears when we're feeling a little hesitant, a little lack of confidence, maybe a little, I'm not sure, doubt going on. And most people think that um, things are happening to them instead of for them. But really, what this card is revealing is that you are a channel. You're a channel of your own light for yourself and for others. It's not about changing everything, it's really about shifting that one perspective. This is a fire card, and fire card is connected to spirit. And when it's imbalanced, we can feel wonky and we can feel off. When it's aligned, we feel in charge and in control and filled with light and love. So pause for a second and observe, since you're watching this right now, where is my light a little dim? And what do I need to release in order to brighten it up? How can I connect with my inner truth? And what would happen if I truly trusted that connection? We don't need to work harder in this life. We need to be more aligned. So, to channel your light more, check out the call to inspire your own fire in the description with this card, as well as the entire Oracle of the Lake deck. And I will see you in the next card.